Hi and welcome to my channel. This is Eleni and today I'm going to draw a journal cover with colored pencils, and you will be able to see how I draw and shade a face, and then I will do a flip through of the journal, and later on there will be a second flip through of another bigger journal. So this is a canvas journal by Jane Davenport called Bright Abstract Print, and it already has some colors printed on it, and I will use similar colors to create the illusion of a face peeking through. This is my second journal with that background, so if you want to see what I did on the cover of the first one as well as a flip through of it, I will leave you a link to that video below. I have always been a creative person, but most things I know about art I learned here on YouTube. So now, while I'm enjoying what I learned, I want to give back what I can, and that is the reason I'm sharing with you my process videos and printable sketches as often as possible. For that reason, I have numbers from 1 to 10 on some of the pages during the flip throughs, so that you can choose which girl you want me to make a free printable sketch of. The reason I have these specific 10 is that they are not too complicated for me to recreate the sketch of. They are not made with any stamps or stencils from any company, and they are not inspired by other artists, so I am totally free to share them with you. So choose 1 or 2 favorites and leave them in the comments below, and in about a week or so I will make a sketch of the most popular one and leave a link to the free printable under this video so that you can download it and print it and use in any way you like. Hope you enjoy my process and hope you give this a try on any colored background. The pages in this journal were made during 2019. Some of them you can find as process videos here on YouTube. Some are made with stencils, stamps and other fun stuff. And most of them are inspired by prompts in monthly art challenges that I like to participate in to keep me busy and inspired daily. The girl on the left here is inspired by Jenny Mano, and these houses, as well as some other later on, are inspired by Willowing. And most of the stencils and stamps I'm using to help me create these pages are by Jane Davenport. This is a bigger canvas journal. It was totally white and I chose to create this cute fox from a lesson by Willowing. This fairy is inspired by one of Marielle Stolp's lessons, and I'm keeping it behind this plastic sheet because it's made with shimmer pastels and I don't want them to get everywhere. The pages in this journal were made during 2018 and 2019, and I just recently did the cover. And some of them you can find as process videos, of course, and most of them are inspired by prompts and art lessons. And there is also some attempts of profile practice and figure practice going on as well. I'm uploading videos once a week or once every 2 weeks here on YouTube, but I try to do some art each and every day. So if you want to see what I create almost daily, you can follow me on Instagram or on my Facebook art page, and you can find links to that in the description box below. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did so, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment under it, but also make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell to get notified about my new videos, because by doing all that, you are helping me draw more attention to my channel and reaching more people. Don't forget to choose your favorite girl for the printable and leave it in the comments. Thank you so much for being here. See you soon. Love and kisses.